dusty. But this is the synthetic braid wig, her up close. And yeah, I'm gonna try to apply her to my head using Wonder Lace Bond. So I don't know if y'all know, but I haven't really been wearing wigs. I don't wear wigs a lot anymore, not as much as I used to when I first started my channel. So I really feel like I just don't know how to apply them anymore, and that's why I hate every single one that goes on my head. So I've been watching tutorials, and we're just gonna see how this one comes out. The construction is pretty nice. 2 combs. You get a band, and you get adjustable straps and a comb at the bottom. If y'all see this, that means this went well. If y'all don't see this, y'all know what that means. It did not go well, and we ain't gonna talk about it, okay? I tried to film another wig thing like a couple months ago, and y'all didn't even see that one because I was testing out, what is it called? I was testing out wig tape from Shein, and it just did not go well. So this is the wig on. It goes, okay, my face is a little crusty, y'all, but I mean, it goes from ear to ear. It's kind of big. I don't know what to do in that sense. I think I need to cut those off, but I just told y'all I'm not really good with this anymore. Pretty sure it's not supposed to look like that, but it is what it is. Okay. And we're gonna do the other side. I miss y'all. I know I'm supposed to be more consistent, but y'all, I just got hit with so much. My life is just different right now, and I'm trying to adjust without jumping off a bridge. Okay, that was a little bit dramatic, but for real. I had a new job. I got 1 more semester of grad school before I graduate. I'm locking my hair. It's just a lot. Okay, so we kind of got some relief there. We are going to get a jumbo scrunchie. Oh, that might be a con. Get a jumbo scrunchie and just put that back for right now. I feel like, I don't know. Y'all, I ordered all types of stuff for this because for some reason I thought this was human hair, but it's not. And I was gonna bleach the knots, but clearly, yeah. So what are we gonna do? We're just going to spray it down. Try not to spray my baby hairs because I actually like those, and I can't cut them myself, so I appreciate this. Okay, y'all, I ordered 2 wigs for my birthday. Didn't I just tell y'all that I'm having trouble with wigs? But for some reason I ordered 2 wigs for my birthday. My birthday not even to January, mind you. But that's neither here nor there. That's between me and God. Get out my business. But anyways, so what was I saying? yeah, like I'm gonna have to start practicing. So maybe y'all gonna see a lot of wig content. Maybe y'all not. I don't know at this point. Let us just pray. Are my eyes dirty? I don't know. Okay. This feels so heavy. My forehead is so big. Is this even in the middle? Sight check. It's not, but it is what it is. Okay. Pretty sure I'm supposed to... Let me do this in the... If spray glue don't work, I'm gonna go to regular glue. And just give me some real wig glue, because I'm tired. Got to be tired. All of that tired. I'm gonna go grab my blow dryer. My hands all sticky. Oh, Lord. Okay. I'm breathing hard. Okay. So a little bit on the hair. Pretty sure Amazon. What did Amazon say? Let's see what it says. Because I don't remember. I'm breathing hard. Only kind I'm getting is shedding, and I don't really like that, but at this point, what can I do? Just don't run your hand. I cannot talk. Just don't rub your fingers through your hair, I guess, as I'm proceeding to do that. But yeah, that's the only kind that I don't like, besides all of this space. Like, it's cute on camera, but I don't know, it might be a little scary in person. Y'all, this review is all over the place. I ain't never been all over the place like this before. But this is me in real life, so I'm sorry, I don't want to show y'all chest. Let's see. So the hair company is called Olame. This is 36 inches. And it's a full double lace front triangle knotless box braid wig. I'll put it in the description box below. In the color natural, pretty sure. Yeah. So this is really pissing me off. And it retails for about $129. How long I gotta keep this melt band on? Drop in the comments below some glue I could use that's gonna at least keep my hair on for like 5 to 7 days. And it can't be spray. It gotta be the kind that you apply, okay? Preferably something I don't gotta use with air, like with blow drying, because I don't know. They probably all use that, don't they? Yeah, okay. Allow to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. I've only been talking for 4 minutes, so I'm gonna go and find me something to do for a few more minutes. Or maybe not. Y'all, can make a whole nother wig. Let me quit playing. I don't know, like, if the ends just got loose. Why am I yelling? I don't know if the ends just got like a whole bunch of loose hair going on, because when I run my fingers through it, it's not like it's messing up or makes the wig look thin. It's just like, I don't know. I don't understand why it's shedding like this. But then again, I could just be being dramatic, like I told y'all. Just don't run your fingers through it. So if you got a man that like to run his hands through your hair, tell him this ain't the one, okay? This is not the one to be doing when your friends, like your girlfriends, be coming up to your hair trying to play with it. Ooh, I like your braids. Just go ahead and tell them this ain't the one. This is not the one to be rubbing your fingers through, okay? So I'll be back. Oh, look at this. And there's some on the floor. Like, I'm just gonna stop putting my hands through it. This, okay, so I did not order this wig. This wig was sent to me. And I just want to say, because I don't want to do too much, but I just want to say, it's cute, but, like, it's just giving take pictures in it. So, yeah. If you know... Maybe I shouldn't pull at it. Somebody gonna cuss me on the comments. If you wouldn't tug at it, it wouldn't be shedding. Okay, girl. Okay, Miss Girl. But anyways, what was I gonna say? No, if you have, what is it? If you have experience with braided wigs, you probably love this wig. But this is really my first one. So, yeah. I don't know. Okay, I done melted the hairs. I just don't know anymore. Okay, I'm gonna cut these close to the mirror because y'all know I cannot see without my glasses on. Okay, y'all, this is as much as I can get cut off with limited eyesight. I mean, I cut enough off up here, but on the sides, no. I feel like when I was spraying, see, y'all should have told me this. But I literally like sprayed all of the lace, and you really just need to spray the part that you want to glue down. Otherwise, you're going to end up like me, okay? But good thing I'm not pulling the hair back, so yeah. I didn't cut the pre-made baby hairs off that they came with, but I did kind of get glue on them, so they're probably a little stuck, but whatever. I don't really wear baby hairs, but now I'm starting to understand why y'all kind of have to, because when y'all got that lace, you need something to cover it if you're out here looking like me. Now, if you know how to lay your wigs, you probably don't need baby hairs. They're probably just for style. But for those of us who are challenged, yeah. Okay, so my bottle, and I need to get a brush. My God. I kind of just want to leave them messy, or at least somewhat messy. I don't know. Just want a little bit. I like messy baby hairs. I wish I could see. This is why I don't do baby hairs, y'all. Because look at this, a mess. And I ain't putting it down. So, it is what it is. Because this thing finna come right off my head. Okay, but this is her. I'll probably never wear this. I'm gonna take pictures in it though. From far away. And then, yeah, it's over with. But this is the back. Like I said, if you're good at braided wigs, you'll look so cute. But me, I look ridiculous. It's the baby hairs. I don't know. And it's the wig cap. So, yeah, y'all. Oh, I wonder, like, well, no. Because I was going to say I could get a black wig cap. But no, like, normally you see scalp with braids. Unless they've been in for a few months. So, I guess, well, I'm sorry that this video was all over the place. Literally a mess. I think this wig too far back. I feel like it needs to be right here. Or right here. I don't know. But I will see y'all when I see y'all. I promise I'm going to release some more content. I've been fighting for my life, y'all. That's all it is. But I love y'all and thank you for sticking with me. Have a good day.